Turn the ignition on engine off with the key you want to learn. Auto-detect the VIN. Select the make of the vehicle and the region. Confirm it is the correct VIN. And select key type Match. The information with the correct make, region, model, year, VIN. I start with the IMO status scan, reading the faults and how many current keys are programmed into the vehicle. Select Add, Key Guided Read, and follow the prompts. With this Ford, your previous keys won't be erased. Accessing the security takes 3 to 10 minutes. Autel will tell you how many current keys are programmed. Take note of how many keys. If programmed successfully, it will reflect an additional key than it did previously. If you want to add more keys, this is the perfect time to do so. Hit Yes. If you select Yes, it will bypass waiting 10 minutes to access the security, or select No to complete the program.